Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to actually be putting something on my 2009 Turbo Corolla right behind me that I came across, and I had bought these years ago and had kind of forgotten about them and found them in a box going through some stuff. So I thought, what the heck, let's put them on. Let me show you what I got. So the first thing is I had bought some of these TRD covers, and they actually go right in here. So just like that. I thought, oh, that'll kind of look sharp on this. And then I also have some of these little mirror covers and stuff to try to keep the side view mirror cleaner and from water and whatnot. So I don't know if these are going to work or not, but they were only a few bucks way back when I bought them, so I thought, why not? And these guys just go in the mirror just like that. So they both use 3M adhesive tape. The key with this is you want to make sure that you prep and clean the surface really, really well, and then also use some heat. Even if it's a warm day, either set these out in the sun so this gets nice and gummy and it'll stick a lot better, and use a heat gun for this area to warm that metal and that paint just a little bit. Doesn't have to be hot, but just warm it up, and the adhesion is amazing in the difference. This tape will hold really well if it's clean and it's warm when you apply it. So that's what we're going to do. I already treated it with the surface cleaner that I really like from Griot's, and that strips off any polishes or wax, polymers, anything that's on there. That strips off and prepares the surface for anything like this, for sticking on it, or ceramic coating, waxing, whatever, anything new. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to get my heat gun. We're going to warm this surface up. I'm going to also warm this up so it's nice and flexible, and we'll stick it on. I'm going to get a little bit of heat on this surface, and I'm also going to take this and get some heat on that too. This will make this a lot more flexible, and it'll make the tape, the adhesives in the tape, stick much, much better. I can already tell how flexible that's getting. I'll just get a little bit on here. Like I said, it doesn't have to be hot, but if you warm it up, it sure does make a difference. Just trying to get it centered and then get it, make sure it's not crooked. That looks pretty good. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Not only is it going to protect it, there we go. Honestly, I didn't realize that these door cups didn't have some type of protector on it until recently. Because normally, my guy that does all my PPF for me, he always puts it on there. But I forgot that I had actually bought this car and had it done by somebody else before I had gotten to know him. So, yeah. Well, there's one. Now we'll do the rear door here real quick. And once more, we'll give a little heat to this guy. close there. There we go. I have other TRD bits on this, so it's kind of nice to tie it in. I got a TRD badge on the trunk. Got TRD rear sway bar and front strut brace. So there's some other TRD goodies on there. I'm funny about that. I don't really want to mix TRD with GR stuff because GR is kind of going to be taking over, and TRD I think is going to kind of be going on the wayside, or maybe they'll just be using it for the trucks. So, but that is done. So now we'll do a mirror here. Yeah, I just warmed it up, figuring you don't need to see that every time. And it's amazing how much more flexible this is now. There we go. Okay. I want to try to get it equidistant here. I'll have to see how well these hold, or if they fly off going down the road. I guess I'll find out soon enough, huh? I can see how it would help keep some water off it. So, there we go. What do you guys think of this? So, anyway. Well, that's it for this one, guys. Just a quick, simple little mod. Sometimes these little mods end up becoming one of my favorite things about the car, just from a visual aspect anyway. So we'll see how this does as I'm getting ready to take this on a road trip, and how it handles any weather that I might come up in. And so anyway, I appreciate it, guys. Hopefully you like stuff like this. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate it, and it really does make a difference, liking and subscribing things and helping the channel grow. I'm getting very close to 4,000 subscribers, so another hurdle, and I'd love to accelerate the pace a little bit and get up to 5 pretty quick. So anyway, I appreciate everything and all the support and all the comments I get. And until next time, guys, we'll see you down the road.